Welcome to my YouTube channel. So from today's video, I'm gonna talk everything about self-love. So let's get started. So let's see what is self-love. So self-love is the practice of accepting yourself, caring yourself, and valuing yourself as you are, regardless of your flaws or imperfections. And it's about embracing who you are and treating yourself with the same kindness and respect that you give to other people. And it involves prioritizing your well being and happiness, understanding your worth, and not seeking external validation. And it's about recognizing that you deserve to be treated with compassion, care, and respect, both by others and by yourself as well. So it's a mindset and a practice that contributes to a healthier relationship with yourself and the world around you. So I hope you guys got a simple idea about what is self-love. Now let's see why self-love is important. So first of all, self-love is essential for emotional health and for mental health as well. It helps to boost your self-confidence. So when you love yourself, you are less likely to doubt about your abilities and your value. And it's important to foster healthier relationships. You attract and maintain relationships that are based on mutual respect. And also improve resilience is one of the most important things that done by self-love. So self-love builds the mental strength needed to bounce back from setbacks in your life. And finally, it encourages you to for your personal growth. By accepting yourself, you're more open to learning, evolving, and becoming your best version. So now let's see what are the things that we can do to practice self-love. So first thing, as we all know, self-care. So self-care involves actions that nurture your body and mind, such as getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, exercising, taking time for relaxation, like that. And then the most important thing, setting boundaries, saying no to things that drain your energy and peace, and setting limits that protect your mental health and emotional space is crucial for self-love. It's very important. And then self-compassion, which is being kind to yourself. So be gentle with yourself, especially during moments of failure when you feel pain, and speak to yourself the way you would speak to a loved one. It's always important. And self-acceptance, embrace your flaws and imperfections. Accepting yourself as you are without comparing yourself to other people helps you to develop inner peace and confidence a lot. And then positive affirmations. I know most of the people don't believe on this, but just trust me and give it a try. So use affirmations to remind yourself that you are worthy, you're worthy of love, and encourage self-love. And then forgiveness. Let go of all the past mistakes that you have done and forgive yourself, because holding on to guilt or regret blocks self-love and prevents you from personal growth. And finally, celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate even the smallest victories to remind yourself about your capabilities and to remind yourself how amazing you are as a person. So now let's see what are the things that we can do to cultivate self-love. So first of all, practice mindfulness. This is something I repeat. Stay present and practice meditation to become more aware about your strengths, your weaknesses, your thoughts, your feelings and emotions and all. And then challenge negative self-talk, because negative self-talk can ruin your whole life actually. There's no point of talking negative about yourself. Try to replace all your negative thoughts with positive ones as much as possible, because negative thoughts will always ruin yourself. So surround yourself with positivity. Be around people who lift you up and encourage you always, and engage with media that supports positive thinking and self-growth as well. I know most of you guys think that social media is not good for personal growth, but trust me, it is the best. It's honestly the best platform for personal growth even than people, because you have a lot of sources in social media like better help and everything very well mind, and also many YouTube channels that helps you for personal growth and many. So you can use your social media to grow yourself as well. And finally, learn to enjoy your own company. Spend more time alone, engaging in activities that you love. This strengthens your relationship with yourself, because what I see most days uh, in our lives is people are very scared of being alone, which is very terrible, because I think we as humans we should spend more time alone, because that's the point that we can understand ourselves better. So learn to enjoy your own company. Now let's see how to overcome the barriers of self-love. So many people struggle with self-love because of negative past experiences, past trauma, comparison to others, perfectionism, fear of being selfish. So let's talk about it. So when it comes to negative past experiences, past trauma, rejection or criticism can affect self-esteem, of course. So healing these wounds, it really takes time, and but it's possible through therapy, reflection, and self-compassion. And comparison to others, especially social media and societal expectations, can lead to feeling of inadequacy. So focus on your own journey and remember that everyone's path is different from each other. Even it comes to beauty, everyone's beauty is so different from each other. So there's no point of comparing yourself to other people. So stop comparison. And then perfectionism, the belief that you must be perfect to be worthy of love is very harmful. You have to embrace the concept of progress over progression. And then comparison to others, especially social media and societal expectations, can lead to feelings of inadequacy. So you have to focus on yourself, on your own journey, and remember that everyone's path is different. Even when it comes to beauty, everyone is not the same. Everyone's beauty is subjective and everyone is different from each other, and there is no point of comparing yourself to other people. And then perfectionism, the belief that you must be perfect to be worthy of love, is very harmful. So you have to embrace the concept of progress over perfection. And finally, the fear of being selfish. So self-love can sometimes be mistaken for selfishness as well. However, practicing self-love allows you to show up better for others, because you are grounded and whole. So now let's see what are the benefits of self-love. So first of all, it improves your mental health a lot. Self-love always reduces depression, anxiety, stress, and feeling of negativity as well. And it helps you to get better relationships. You develop the ability to attract the nurture relationships that are built on respect and love. And increased happiness. Loving yourself leads to sense of fulfillment, contentment in your life with lots of joy. So it always helps to improve your happiness. And finally, it helps you to grow as a person, as you learn to accept yourself, as you become more open to growth and change, which allows you to achieve your goals and aspirations as well. So now let's be aware of self-love myths. So the first myth is self-love is the same as narcissism, which is very wrong, because narcissism involves an inflated sense of superiority and lack of empathy as well. But self-love, on the other hand, it's all about valuing yourself, having healthy self-respect with benefiting others as well. And the myth number two, self-love is selfish. It was never selfish. Prioritizing your well-being helps you to show up as your best self for other people. And when you love yourself, you have more energy and emotional capacity to give to others. So, and the final myth, self love is easy and instant. Self-love is a feeling of lifelong journey. It requires patience, practice, and self-compassion, especially on difficult days. Because every day is not a positive day, right? Like we never will get the same energy every single day. So we always have to be consistent with this journey. We have to practice it a lot. So it was never easy. It won't be easy. It's always hard to love yourself. So yeah, you have to practice it a lot. So yeah, those are the main three myths about self-love. So now let's see what are the common self-love activities that we can follow. So first one is journaling. So I've done a full episode of journaling in a previous video. So if you haven't watched it, you can watch it. So it's all about like writing about your feelings, reflections, and being grateful for things that you have. And then baths or pampering rituals, taking time for taking time for a relaxing bath, for a skincare routine, or anything that makes you feel cared of and make you feel good is worthy of doing. And then hobbies, so engage in activities that brings you joy and fulfillment, whether that's a whether that's a small thing like reading, painting, dancing, or something else. It doesn't matter, you can do whatever you like. And finally, declutter your space. A clean, organized environment can help you to improve your mental clarity and promote self-care. So these are the most common self-love activities that you can do, but always remember, self-love is something that you have to feel. It's always about a mindset, like it's about creating a mindset. So always practice it a lot. You guys have to understand that the connection between self-love and self-worth is profound, because self-worth is the belief that your inherent value as a person. When you practice self-love, you reinforce your worth by showing yourself kindness, respect, and patience. uh, it's like understanding that your value is not based on external achievements, not based on external validation, others' opinions, or perfection, but on simply being yourself. And to conclude this video, self love is not an overnight transformation. It was never about loving yourself overnight. But a consistent, compassionate practice. It's about showing yourself grace, embracing your perfections, embracing your flaws, and learning to prioritize your mental health, your emotional health, and your physical well-being. And when you commit to self love, you not only improve your relationship with yourself, but it also enhance every aspect of your life. So I hope you guys got a simple idea about self love from this video. So thanks for watching, guys. So let's meet again from another video soon. So bye.